Many people have been asking me how XGIMI and Lead Africa work, and so in today's video I'm going to be explaining and showing you step by step. Like, I'll show you the tutorial of how to navigate the site. And this is because from the time I made the video for Lead Africa and XGIMI, right? XGIMI is the recent one I made. From the time I made these two videos, there has been changes on the site, and I know that yes, there are some things in that video that are still relevant, that you can still use to navigate the site, but there are some new things that are added that I feel I should still explain, and they are just little things, which is why I am combining these two tutorials for Lead Africa and XGIMI for those that are asking questions, so that you will just understand how things work there. And if you have not activated your account, you can go ahead and activate your account on those sites. They are still active, working and paying. Okay, I'm still withdrawing money from those sites, and a lot of people are still activating their account and withdrawing. If you have registered and you have not activated your account, go ahead and activate. If you have not registered, go ahead and register and then activate your account. Okay. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amagos Concept, and I'm back with another mind-blowing information. If today is the first time tuning in, you're welcome. In this channel we talk about YouTube growth, monetization and growth hacks, and we also teach you how to make money online through paid surveys and other online means. So if you are interested in learning any of these things, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Drop me your amazing comment, like this video, share it so that other people can get this amazing information, and lastly, do not forget to turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my content each time I upload them. Now, with all that being said, let us dive straight into this video so that you start learning about XGIMI and Lead Africa. Before we proceed to this tutorial, I just want to quickly chip in this good news to all my amazing subscribers. I'd like you to know that X, formerly Twitter, is currently paying massively, okay? And YouTube is an amazing platform. In fact, the best online platform for creators, the best social media platform for creators. So these two platforms, your girl is proudly monetized on these two platforms. And for being an amazing subscriber and a supporter of this channel, I'll be organizing a free training for my amazing subscribers. So if you're looking to start creating content on X and probably monetize your channel there, and if you're looking to start your YouTube channel and you don't even know what to do, you don't know how to create your channel, you don't know how to optimize it, you don't have an idea of how to start off on these platforms, I'll be organizing a free training in this regard. So if this sounds like something you're interested in or something you want to partake in, just do well to send me a DM on Facebook so that I will tell you how it is going to play out. Okay, and this is my special way of saying thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for being there. Thank you for being amazing. Okay, so let us dive straight into this particular tutorial so that you start learning about XGIMI and Lead Africa. So my screen recording is turned on now, so I'll just head straight to my app. So as you can see here, what I have is just 6,100 naira. That's what I have. So if you have registered on Lead Africa, and before we continue, if you don't know how to register on Lead Africa, you can go ahead and watch this video to have an idea of how to register. Okay, now it is because of some of the question people are asking me, that is why I'm making this tutorial. If not, everything is already in that video. So this is how the site looks like. Okay, so once you open it, the first thing you're going to see is airtime, data, bulk SMS, then boost. So all these things, you don't have any business with them. So look at this pause here, something like wallets. So if you click on this one, you're going to see all the money you have in your wallet. So if you click the second one now, you're going to see all the money you have. Okay, then if you click, okay, hold on, the first one shows you all the money you have in your wallet. Do you understand? The second one shows you all the money you have for your tax, all the tax you've been doing, all the money you have for your tax. So the reason it's showing 6,100 is because I only have tax money here. Okay, so if you click the third one now, it will show you how much you have for your tax money, for your referral bonus. Okay, the people you're referring, how much you have. So you can see that I don't have any referral bonus here. That is why it's showing 00. Okay, Then this one is deposit wallet, how much you have deposited in your wallet. If you want to upgrade, if you just registered and you deposited money, it will show here. Okay, so this is just it. So the next thing people are asking, okay, the next one is if you want to refer people, just look down here, your referral link here, you copy it and you send it to anybody you want to refer. You understand? So the next thing now that where we're going to now is, because somebody was asking me, oh Grace, my sales wallet is not coming up. This is your sales wallet. If you invite anybody, if you invite one person, it will count here one person. Okay, if you invite 2 people, it will count here 2 people. Do you understand? So the total sales revenue that I have gotten is 161,600. So you know, if you invite people, it's going to show here. You understand? It will show the amount depending on the level the person activated. So that is it. So the next one we want to do now is your task. Okay, so if you come down here, you will see home. You will see this home. You can see everything I've been showing you here is home, is what the interface looks like. Okay, so now we'll go if you go to tax. If you go to tax, this is where you will see your tax. We don't all have the same tax. Okay, like we don't all have the same amount. They don't pay us for the package I activated, which is 1,500. The tax is 300. Okay, so if I click on the tax now, it will take me to Telegram. Look at it here. Because I have already done my tax, it's showing reward credited. They've credited me for the tax. You understand? So if you click on this tax, they will take you to Telegram. That is where you're going to perform your tax. You will click here like this. You understand? I've already done it, which is why it is not clicking, because you can only do one tax every day, and I've already done my own. So this is just to show people that are asking that, oh, my tax is not coming up, my tax is this one. This is where you will see your tax. You understand? For XGIMI, so this is what the home looks like, right? We've already discussed that in the video I posted the last time. So the reason I included this in this video, the reason I wanted to talk about XGIMI is because after making that video, there was a new information, a new update, you know, and I just felt I should just let you know, though it is not that much, the activation fee, every other thing I talked about in the previous video is still valid. Okay, so but the thing that changed is that you see this tax center was not here before. It was just when you come here, you will just go to your daily check-in, and then you check in. As at the time I made that video, daily check-in was 60 naira, but they increased it to 100 naira. Okay, let's go. So you see that daily check-in bonus is now 100 naira, as you can see here, and I've already checked in. Okay, so that's not all. So there is still tax center. No, for those asking what is the tax, you understand? So if I click on this tax now, you see that my total reward accumulated is 4,000, and I've already cashed it out, and this is how I accumulated it. So the tax here, what they just basically want you to do is to invite people to their platform. That's the tax, not like do tax and receive reward. It's an investment platform that when you invest, you will receive your dividends for investing. You understand? So the first one I received is just to invite 3 people, and they're going to give me 1,000 naira. And then if I invite 10 people of if I invite 10 level 1 investors, they're going to give me 3,000. This is the 2 that I've done, and this is the 4,000 naira that they've given me. Okay, so that is just it. Then there's something I didn't do that yesterday. So if you go to mine, if you go to this place, you know, I showed you what all of these things is about, and then we went to record, and I showed you all the withdrawals I was able to do, all the how I was getting the money I was getting. You understand? And then I didn't show you how to redeem gifts. Okay, so if you registered on this platform, every 3 p.m. West African, depending on the country you're, whether you're registering from USA, from Germany, from United Kingdom. I'm filming from Nigeria, so 3 p.m. Nigerian time. If you click on this gift here, the gift code is going to be in their Telegram channel. So if you haven't joined the Telegram channel, do well to go and join. The gift code will be there. If you put the gift code here, enter the gift code, you confirm to get your gift code, okay? And then there's another place that there's something I'm supposed to show you. Reward, share reward is not relevant. Change password. Yes, you can change password, unlike other platform that does not allow you to change password. And then there's another thing. If you go to this withdrawal record, okay, if you go to this withdrawal record, I already showed you yesterday how I was withdrawing money. So there's a change. There's something, a little change that happened on the platform yesterday. So you know, I told you that withdrawal threshold on the platform is $1,500. So as of yesterday, they increased it to 3,000, and a lot of people were like, oh, the site is going to crash because they increased their withdrawal threshold. After that increment, I was able to cash out 9,000 because I wanted to cash out less than 3,000 and it was failing. I didn't know why. I didn't know that it was because of the changes they did on their platform. So if you are registering newly, you know that the withdrawal threshold now is 3,000. So I just want you to note that. Then if I go back now and I click on recharge, okay, this is my withdrawal record, okay. Then if I go back and I click on let me still click on record. So I want to click on my withdrawal record. So you see that this is how I was withdrawing my money. I withdraw 6,100. That is the one that is processing that you just saw. And then I withdrew 9,630 yesterday. I withdrew 3,000. It was reversed though. This time 3,000 to 3,000 was reversed. So this was how I was withdrawing money. So if you are withdrawing money and you want to know how money is leaving your account, you can just come to this record here, okay. If I click more, it will still load more data for me. So this is all about it. I think there is no more changes. The two changes that happened on the site was just the check-in reward that increased to 100 naira, and the tax center that was added, and then the withdrawal threshold that was increased. That was the major this thing that happened yesterday. Let me stop my screen recording. So that is just it for XGIMI. This is the information I brought to you. I just want to clear the air, you know, because I brought these two investment opportunity to you. I also feel the need to carry you along, you understand. So if anything comes up, anything I feel I should let you understand, I will still come and tell you. I will still come and make a video to tell you. And this is because I cannot answer everybody. I cannot answer everybody individually. A lot of people are asking me, oh, this one, that one, that one. So I felt the need to address it in one video so that you can learn and understand. But after watching this video and you still feel that, oh, Grace, I still need clarification in this area, I still need you to explain further in this area, don't worry, feel free to ask me. I will definitely explain to the best of my knowledge, because I am not part of the people that created the site. I am just an investor and a participator on the site. I am not even promoting for them. This is just sharing an opportunity that has benefited me with my subscribers, you understand. So that is just it. This is all I have for you in this video. I hope you got value from it. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so that other people can get this mind-blowing information. Thank you so much for watching, and stay with me to the end of this video. I will see you again in my next one.